Alright, we're back working on the Minniehaha project, a little update. As you can see, we've got the wall built. In our haste to do so, we did not set up and video anything. So here we've got a 3-stud corner built. The purpose of this is so that you can catch sheetrock screws on both the outside corner seen here and the inside corner seen here. Just makes it easier for sheetrocking later. Also, you can see here we've got a couple of boards in the corner. That's approximately where the vanity will sit. And then you can see this big broken piece of cast iron, which is the old vent stack where the wall used to be. And you can see the toilet flange there in the middle of the floor. We will get that cut up with a side grinder, break it up with a sledge, and then haul it off. Here you can see where the wall used to be and the ceiling. That sheetrock up there is a bit sketchy, so we may end up just ripping it all out and starting over. And there's a little bit of electrical there hanging also. Here you can see my grandfather, also known as Pap. He's the one that's been helping me on this project so far. He's got the skills and the knowledge to build a house from scratch, so his knowledge has been endlessly useful, and it teaches me a little bit of something every day. Alright, here's all the stuff we pulled out of the house. We've got our old cast here. This was the, let's see, the toilet flange is here. So this was the vent stack going up into the ceiling. This was down under the floor, ran this way, and a clean out here. And then we had some, shower tie-ins and all that good stuff here. And then all the galvanized pipe we cut out and replaced with PEX. Alright, this is the plumbing layout for the Minniehaha project. We've got Uponor fittings laid out here. We're going to use the PEX A Uponor brand expandable joint tubing. The water will come in the original galvanized line from the street. It'll go into this compression fitting here, and you can see it bites down on this galvanized nipple. It'll do the same thing on the inside supply line. Then it'll run down here, shoot the cold water over, out the spigot on the front of the house, come over here, the vanity, cold water, toilet supply, cold water for shower 1, cold water for shower 2, cold water for the kitchen sink, cold water for the washing machine supply. Come over here and 90 it up and into this fitting, which is PEX on one end, a PVC slip fitting on the other. And then basically we're going to do the same thing going back from the water heater hot side. So the hot water will travel down through a different set of fittings and pipes. 90, you'll have your hot water for the washer, hot water for the sink, hot water for shower number 2, hot water for shower number 1, no hot water needed for the toilet, that'll be removed, hot water for the vanity, and then this 90 will be removed, and this will be a 3/4 to a 1/2 inch 90 to supply the vanity hot water. Alright, we're back at Minniehaha. The bathroom remodel is well underway. Making good progress. We've got the supply lines for the vanity in, the drain for the vanity, the supply for the toilet here, the hot and cold supply for the first shower here. We're going to have a double shower. The other supplies are here. And then there's the back of the hot water heater coming in from the kitchen cabinet. I've got that PVC mated up with the hot and cold PEX down there. Got the rough end box mounted for the supply for the washing machine. That'll be the drain. We just left the old cast since it was in the wall. Actually, it's galvanized, so I don't have to cut all this stuff out and take the vent out. So we're going to patch some of these boards down here, get these 2 eyes repaired and reframed, get that good to go. And I've got the hot and cold just loosely stubbed up through the floor. I'll cut those off and make them a little prettier later on, but they work for now. and got the water cut back on in the house, which is nice. Hot water heater's hooked up. Got to get that 220 line hooked back up in the box. So, got the vanity light rewired. So instead of having a vanity light, I'm going to have a lighted vanity mirror here. We're going to move the light that was here over to this area, and then going to have 2 LED lights here in the shower. The shower will be 8 feet by 36 inches. We had originally a GFCI outlet that was over here on this darker 2x. The new one we put in the wall, we moved it over here since that wall was brought out 2 feet, and we were able to take power, jump off of there, come through here, and we've got an outlet up top, which is where the TV will get its power from, and we've got an outlet down at the bottom, which is where the receiver box, stereo, whatever's down there will be. Also, what we've done though, instead of buying one of the expensive kits they sell you, we took a new construction box here and a new construction box here, taken them, and you can run them down on the table saw, cut the back of them out, and we've got a couple of wires here so we can pull our HDMI or sound from the TV, whichever way we need to go there. Those go down, and then the bottom box is done in a similar way. So this one has the top cut out here, and then also the bottom is cut out, and I've got another wire going down and under the floor so that Comcast or Xfinity, whoever it is, will end up being able to pull their cable up through the wall.